Hi everyone. Welcome guys to my channel guys. In today's video guys, I'm going to cook with you this veggies. It is kales, African kales. It's like kanzila and managu. Yeah, so stay tuned guys. We cook together. I'll have to start cooking with you, and I have got chopped onions and chopped tomatoes. So I'll have to add oil on my pan, then add my onions. I will have to fry for few minutes. After they are ready, I'll have to add my tomatoes guys. It is not hard to fry these kales and managu. It is very nice vegetables guys. I'll have to add salt. Guys, you remember to like this video. Like guys. Then I'll have to put those tomatoes. Yeah, most people when they see us chopping those vegetables, they try to ask, what is that? You know, we have some countries that don't know there is managu, there is kanzila. I think they see like we are eating grass, but no, they are vegetables, greens. So in your country, if you don't have managu and kanzila, please try to watch this video. You will have to see it. And when you see somewhere, when you go, you visit other countries, when you are prepared these kales and managu, you just eat. It is a very nice meal and vegetables, and it is healthy guys. So we'll have to cover it guys. Wow, it is almost ready guys. I'll have to mix those veggies guys. Remember when I just fried it, I just put so that it may cook, then I mix it. This is how we cook those kales and managu. African way of cooking. Wow, our veggies are already ready guys. They look so yummy and delicious. Yeah. So you can take these veggies with ugali, you can take with rice, you can take with any that can be called food because it is vegetables. Yes, vegetables can be eaten with anything else. So thank you for coming. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and share this video to your good friends. Guys, see you, my good people. Bye. Watch up to the end.